They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a huge Amazon clothing haul. I asked you guys on Instagram what should I pick up, and everyone, majority of them voted ethnic wear, sari, lehenga, and that's what I got. A little bit of them were western wear as well, so I picked up the ones that I really wanted to get. It's a mixed haul of ethnic and western wear. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. I got all of these items when there was a huge sale going on in the July month, I guess. But there is another sale that's gonna happen in August 27-28 को, so you can definitely get all of these items at a discounted price. Plus, बहुत लोगों ने ethnic wear choose किया, which I understand festival season is right here. गणपति आ रहा है, रक्षाबंधन आ रहा है, नवरात्रि, दसरा. There's so many more festivals lined up right after another. तो ethnic haul तो बनता है, right? So the first thing I got is a sari, which is this beautiful purple sari. The color is what sold me. This color, this bangan purple color is love. I love it. This is supposed to be a silk material. Material का I would say so है, इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा कपड़ा नहीं है material wise. And this is the embroidery all over. Work I would say is still okay, but the quality of the sari overall is not that good. And you also get blouse piece. This is how the blouse piece looks like. इस पे भी पूरा यही मटेरियल का वर्क है जो फोटो में दिखाया हुआ है Amazon पे. That's exactly what you get. But the only disappointment I felt is the quality of the कपड़ा. सिल्क के हिसाब से बहुत ही हल्का सिल्क क्वालिटी है. I would say इतना अच्छा भी मटेरियल नहीं है. And yeah, there's nothing much. But I love the work that's going on. कैमरा पे it looks really good. And it drapes very well as well, but overall I would say it's an average product. Also यहाँ पर end पे उन लोग ने scallop detailing दिया हुआ है, which again is not up to the mark. बिल्कुल भी finishing पे ध्यान नहीं दिया है. It's just packed on it. This is the first sari that I got. The next sari I picked up is this beautiful organza sari. It has such beautiful colors, this pink and yellow tie-dye. पता नहीं इसको क्या बोलते हैं, but it's so beautiful. And this work is all over the sari. बहुत ही plain simple sari है. And border पे आपको ये दिखेगा. जो ये border work है वो भी I would say is of good quality. एकदम ज़्यादा सस्ता, एकदम cheap quality का भी नहीं है. And you can easily pull it off. ये ऑर्गेन्जा साड़ी है तो ड्रेपिंग में इट वुड बी अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज वो थोड़ा सा फुगा हुआ लगता है. इफ़ यू ड्रेप इट प्रॉपरली देन इट विल लुक वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. ओवरऑल आई एम इन लव विद द कलर ऑफ द होल साड़ी. इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. एंड या ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं है साड़ी में, बहुत ही प्लेन सिंपल साड़ी है. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली हाउ आई लाइक इट. एंड ये ब्लाउज पीस दिया हुआ है. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल सीक्वेंस कपड़ा which you can easily get it off on the market, and इसका आप ब्लाउज सिला सकते हो. There is no अस्तर or anything given. That's something that you need to purchase. But yeah, this is the blouse material that they have given. Overall, I would say this is a great pick for Raksha Bandhan और गणपति के लिए. One of the days you can wear something like this. It's really beautiful and yeah, I would give it a thumbs up. And one more thing I would love about this sari is they have given a handwritten note. Like how cute is this? That this just shows that they take a little bit extra care and everything is made out of love. So yeah, really like this. Okay, next up I got another organza sari और इसका packaging बहुत ही अच्छा आया हुआ है. Now let's see how the sari is. And this is how the sari looks like. The color is beautiful and this has this floral pattern all over. And border पे ये वाला design है, as you can see. Again, it has a scalp detailing. Now this one, look at it. The finishing is proper everywhere. You don't see that extra material hanging over here in between or इसके ऊपर से. And the quality of the border is also really good. This one I would say जैसा दिखाया है Amazon के site पे, the photos and everything, this is exactly what they send. Organza material है तो you need to drape it properly, otherwise वो थोड़ा फूला फूला लगता है. But overall the quality of the sari is really good. This is how the blouse piece looks like. It has the sequin stuff all over. Same kapda hai, but just the sequence work. They also give this extra kapda. I think you can use this as an astar inside or for the sleeves or anything like that. It also comes with this belt. Again, very pretty, and you can definitely wear this for any festive season, to be honest, or someone's wedding or engagement as well. Next up, I picked up two lehengas. The first one I got is this beautiful green, jewel-toned bottle green color. Isn't this color beautiful? Jewel tone colors Indian skin tone पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Actually, any skin tone पे jewel tone colors अच्छे लगते ही है. And look at the work that's going on. जैसा दिखाया था Amazon पे वैसा ही भेजा हुआ है, which is really good. The blouse on it, उसका कपड़ा ऐसा है. Is that exactly how they showed it? No, but still the kapda is really good and you can actually upgrade it. Keeping this kapda at the top and sleeves पे आप net का कपड़ा लगा के इसका border लगा सकते हो, बहुत ही अच्छा pretty लगेगा. And लहंगा कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. This is how the work is. I am really disappointed that the work is not all over the lehenga. It would have looked much better, but half is plain and half पे ये work दिया हुआ है. Again, photo में भी वैसा ही दिखाया है, so that's not really their fault. But इसमें can या फिर ऐसा कुछ दिया हुआ नहीं है. Semi stitch है, as you can see, it's open like this. You need to stitch it according to your size. ये ऐसा plain है and then the work starts. So you can definitely add some can. It will look really good. And इसका ओढ़नी जो दिया हुआ है वो भी बहुत ही pretty है. As you can see, it's really good quality. Again, the border work जो है बहुत ही clean, crisp है. So yeah, a really good quality product. The next lehenga I picked up looks something like this. It has a beautiful mango color. I really like the color. ये आप किसी के हल्दी में पहन सकते हो या फिर खुद के हल्दी में पहन सकते हो या फिर any occasion. But that's what I was thinking while picking up this outfit. It has this beautiful floral pattern all over and bottom में थोड़ा और heavy work है. As you can see over here. Looks really beautiful. Lehenga, I would say, looks really good if you wear it high-waisted. Has a nice flare to it and a lot of net work. And the net, on the other hand, I would say इतना अच्छा quality नहीं है और इसके अंदर भी जो कपड़ा use किया हुआ है ये भी इतना अच्छा quality नहीं है. But overall, I would say the work and everything looks really good. इसका जो top material है, this is what they have given. इस पे ये attached है, so try on में आप मैंने कुछ अलग top पहना हुआ है. The worst part about this lehenga is the ओढ़नी. ओढ़नी is terrible. I absolutely did not like it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा plain है and quality भी मुझे इतना कुछ खास लगा नहीं. और this is the पट्टा जो लगाया हुआ है, this is how it looks like. Very average, very plain, nothing to it. I would say wear the lehenga and wear something satin top. I think that combination would look really good, but overall it's an average product from my end. That's all the ethnic wear I picked out. Next time I'll pick out some more. Now moving on to western wear. The only place I shopped at is the Soul Store. You guys know I absolutely love that store. It has such cute pieces. You can definitely get Soul Store pieces on Amazon or you can shop from their website directly. I have a membership with them, so I get all of these pieces on a discounted price. You can explore that as well. So the first thing I picked up from the Soul Store is a PJ set, and oh my god, I am obsessed with this. This is how it looks like. It has a shirt and a pant quad set, something like that, and it has this beautiful space pattern all over the top as well as the pant. The material is so soft, you can definitely wear it while sleeping. I wear it the whole day, lockdown ke side effects, but this is so comfortable and cozy. I cannot, like, the quality is to die for. Again, the shirt is so good, I can actually wear it outside as well with some nice jeans. Overall, the quality of this quad PJ set is really good and I would highly recommend. Next up, I picked out the top that I'm wearing right now. It's a tank top and it has a Captain Marvel print on it. Love the kapda, the material of it is really good, not see-through at all. It has a sleeveless tank top, racerback wala cutout on it. Looks really good. Love to show my arms, which is not toned at the moment, but you know, in future. I love that it has a nice, cozy, laid-back vibe to it. You can wear it while going to shopping. Love how it looks on me. It complements my body really well. And yeah, I really like it. Next up, I picked out another top from the Soul Store. Now this is plain black t-shirt. Now this material, they claim that even if you wash it like 100 times, the color won't fade. I haven't washed it yet, but in future आपको review भी दे दूंगी. Overall the quality is really good. बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft है. I wanted some plain black, white, basic t-shirts to style when I don't have anything to wear kind of a situation. The arms on it, I like where it hits right above the elbow. I like that kind of sleeves on my t-shirts. And round neck hai, very simple, plain, but very comfortable at the same time. So I really like it. A big thumbs up. Next up, I picked out another PJ set from the Soul Store. Now this quad set has a short, as you can see, and it has a Tom and Jerry ka print all over it. Jerry, to be honest, Tom to hai hi nahi, but it's so cute. Love the color, this beautiful pastel purple lilac color. It's so beautiful. Again, all the products that I've got, all the items, क्वालिटी कपड़े का तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. I don't even have to say it. I keep repeating soft, but I truly mean it. The kapda is so soft and comfortable. I can't even. When I ordered it, it was on a pre-order की basis पे अभी तक बना नहीं था. So definitely the order took time to come, but the quality is worth it, man. It's so good. And this is how the top looks like. You can definitely wear this just as a top, or you can mix and match with other stuff as well. It has a full sleeve, something like this, and round neck. बिल्कुल भी see-through नहीं है. Quality बहुत ही अच्छा है. Overall, I really like this. Next up, I picked up another oversized basic t-shirt. This says average/savage. The fit of this is very similar to the black one that I got. Overall, I really like this. Soft quality है, बहुत ही अच्छा material, see-through बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. And it fits me exactly the same how the black one fits me. Nicely oversized, and I love it. Next up, I picked up a one piece from the Soul Store. Now I have a black one, if you remember, the Harry Potter themed one, and that looked bomb on me. So I wanted to pick up another one. A similar pattern, it has a collar, and look at the color. Isn't that the most beautiful color you've ever seen? But I don't know, the fit is not really flattering on me. For some reason, वो भी large था, ये भी large है, but this is way too oversized for me. I don't know why. But yeah, this is definitely oversized. I'll be returning it. इसके side में ऐसे white patterns है, like stripes. Nothing much, very plain, simple. Just the kapda is just not fitting me properly. Maybe I should size down a bit. That's the only feedback I can give. And lastly, I picked up two leggings from them. Now, I've been looking for simple, great fit leggings forever now. And I've been failing forever, but not anymore because I finally found exactly what I've been looking for. Now, this one I picked up in this beautiful olive color. Iska jo waist hai, it has this elastic right over here. Again, snugs very beautifully. The quality of the material is so good. It's definitely thick. एकदम पतला quality जो leggings में मिलता है वैसा नहीं है. It's nice and thick, stretchable, as you can see. It fits you perfectly without feeling super tight. You know, when you wear that super tight leggings, it just feels very awkward and super tight fitting. This one, on the other hand, does not feel like that at all, but it looks tight. I don't know, I'm not able to express it to you guys, but it's just the perfect leggings that I've been looking for, and I'm obsessing over this. Yeah, it snitches at the ankle, fits perfectly, beautiful color, great quality. It's just overall amazing. And the second color that I picked out is a burgundy color. Now I'm wearing this right now, as you can see over here. But yeah, it's the same exact thing in burgundy color. Love the fit and love how it snitches my body, yet not making me feel suffocated about it. So yeah, overall, really great leggings. Highly recommend them. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. I got so many products and a lot of them have been really good and some of them have been fail as well. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, like karo, subscribe karo, and hit that all notification to get all the notifications on my channel. And don't forget to share it with your friends because help करो यार, festive season आ रहा है, सबको कपड़े खरीदना है, तो please share करो, थोड़ा वो लोग भी खरीद लेंगे अगर उन्हें अच्छा लगा तो, right? And the comment shout out goes to MC. Thank you so much for the comment. It really means a lot. I know I'm really trying not to get the view counts and the likes and all that stuff get to me, but it is getting to me. I will make a proper story time in the near future. But yeah, thank you so much. Your support means a lot to me. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery, and I was high enough.
foot on that lip, on